To start this grass off, I've already painted a base layer and I have the path painted down a little bit. And basically that's just kind of going to be a guide for me to follow. And also it will prevent any white of the canvas from showing through because I've painted over the entire area. So now when I'm painting my details and stuff, I don't have to worry about covering the whole canvas because it's already all covered. The grass is going to be partially sunlit, so I'm not going to begin by painting any sunlight at all. Pretending that the sun was behind a cloud or something, I'm trying to visualize it that way, so the grass would naturally be darker where there's more trees and stuff. And as you get right here, there'll be more reflected light in this open area, so the grass is going to be lighter all in here, and it's going to get darker as it goes away behind the trees. So I'm going to get it to a finished look before the sunlight, but then I'm just going to paint some streaks of sunlight. The sunlight's going to be kind of broken by the trees, so it's just going to be little streaks going across the lawn. I'm not going to paint every blade of grass, so I'm just going to kind of try to get the general idea of grass without having to paint every detail of every blade. I'm going to be using acrylics, of course, because I want it to dry quickly. The grass for my painting is finished, and if you enjoyed this video, then please like it, or if you'd like to be notified when I have more videos in the future, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Also, if you're interested in viewing or purchasing any pieces of my art, including this one once I get it on my website, please check out my website at jonathanschlichterartist.com.